Hey guys, Isaac here with Keller Williams Realty. I just wanted to shoot a quick little video right now. We're about to get an appraisal on this house that's been under contract, passed inspection. Now the appraiser is going to be coming out here. So there's a couple of things that we want to do in advance of that appraisal. Two things that we know are always going to happen to comply with lending standards is you're going to need carbon monoxide detectors on each level of your home. If you don't, some people, if they've lived there for 10 or so years, they probably don't have these up, or if they do, they don't have the right batteries or aren't working correctly, and an appraiser is always going to fail that if that happens. Second thing is earthquake straps on the hot water heater. You got to have two of them on, and they got to be bolted down. If you get a set like this, it's pretty compact. It comes with the bolts and everything like that. We usually do our own screws, washers, things that go a little bit faster. I'll show you later on that there's some in this one that the guy actually tried to put up a strap, but it's really not going to comply with standards. So we're going to go ahead and put up something that actually will go in the appraiser and get it passed. Hot water heater, it's tucked into the corner, and the guy put up a little strap just to make sure that it won't fall through. So, something happens, it's not even on the box or anything like that. So most homeowners are going to think, it is a safe setup, so why should they worry about it? But appraisers need to have those two earthquake straps on there, and that's to comply with their standards. And it needs to be fully wrapped around the hot water heater. So I'm gonna put these on. I'll shoot another quick video when I'm done, so you can kind of see what it looks like. Here we are a bit later. Good thing I still own this all stuff. Got the straps ready to go. Got it all the way around, tight as it should. Anyway, just things like that